Someone knows where you're going.
No, we don't. No. Don't let him.
It's just a regular amount of kidnapping, you know.
Today we are doing Puffing Billy in Melbourne. A lot of people have recommended it to me, so I think it's worth it. So we're gonna go. That train was so cool. I've never experienced something like that. That was amazing. If you're ever in Melbourne, you have to do this. You have to do this. So we are still in Melbourne. Today is Luisarmi's birthday, so we're gonna go see him and visit him. He said that he wanted to do a little boat ride in Melbourne, so we're on our way to do that. He said to bring some little snacks, so I went to the grocery store. I got some little stuff, and I'm excited to see him, so I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go. Also, I've been looking at apartments and jobs here in Melbourne. So far, I'm loving it. Tomorrow, I'm moving into an apartment, and I will be showing you guys a tour. It's so pretty, and I'm excited to show you all. Also, I'm looking for barista jobs. So far, I've done some trials. You show them if you're good or not. So far, I'm doing good. I'm trying to get paid. I'll keep you updated with that. Ooh, Luisarmi! How are you doing?
I'm doing great. It's my birthday.
Ooh, how old?
Don't ask me that.
I brought you a birthday shot.
Oh my god, I love it.
So you have to do it now. Ready? All of it. Woo! Yes!
Thank you.
Maybe you'll be able to know who it is, maybe you won't.
Is this actually from Mexico?
Just read it. Just read it.
Alright.
I just got off my hostel. Checkout is at 10 and I don't have nowhere else to go. I am moving today to the apartment, but I have to be in the apartment at 4 p.m. So I don't know what to do in the meantime. I have like 6 hours to kill. I guess I'm just gonna be here working in my computer and waiting till it's 4 p.m. I don't know what else to do. Maybe I'll go to the library for a little bit and go to the cafe. We'll see. I'm moving today. I'm so excited. I kind of need an apartment after being in hostels for a while, so I'm excited. We're heading to the apartment right now. I am so excited. So I just moved to my new apartment. I am so excited. It is so beautiful. It is amazing. And it is temporary. I'm only staying here for 3 days. I'm basically just changing rooms, but it's basically the same building. But it is so amazing. It is so beautiful. I think I'm gonna wait to give you guys the whole tour once I move in 3 days. The room that I am staying in, there's another person living in right now. And at the moment, they gave me this room. But it's basically the same room, but the one that I'm staying in is gonna be bigger, which is amazing. It's pretty cool because it includes like a TV, cleaners, a bed. I just love the roof. Like, look at the roof. It's just so aesthetic. I am in like Fitzroy, which is like the artsy side of Melbourne. Oh my god, I could have not been any luckier. I just met some of my roommates. They're amazing. They're so fun. Wow, I'm so excited for this new chapter in my life. I cannot wait. I went to go get some like stuff, new pillows. I don't know. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Hello everyone, so today I'm moving to the other apartment or the other room and I want to show you. Right now I'm trying to unpack and move literally 2 steps. So it's on that room. You can see it's basically the same, but it's bigger and better. I'm just gonna pack real quick and then unpack and I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I mean, the other room is so much cuter. It has like the aesthetic vibe with like the tall ceiling and the bricks, the wood. But this one is so much bigger and it has better sunlight. So I prefer this one. Hello everyone, good morning. I'm already officially in my room. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. We can see here, this is the beautiful bed. The sunlight hits amazing. It is so beautiful, and just like what I love about this room is sunlight. You wake up with sunlight and oh my god, the view. I mean, it's not a good view. So it's right on Fitzroy, and if you know Melbourne, Fitzroy, it's the place to be. Like, it is so beautiful, so artsy. And then what I love about this room is the high ceiling. You can see like the brick wall and the fan and just the wood. It's just amazing. I love it so much. A little mirror, a big closet. I was living in a small luggage, so I'm using like half or less than half of this closet. A desk right over here. I needed a room with a desk. Even the door is so cool. Like, it's amazing. Over here we have a little kitchen right next door to me to like have a little coffee, some tea, something in the fridge or something from the microwave. It's kind of nice to have it right here. And then it's a big long hallway. This is our backyard. Laundry room, 2 bathrooms in the 2nd floor. And this is the kitchen. Perfect for like gatherings with like friends or just like cooking. I kind of want to like cook here one day. Brick wall and the oven. It's so cute. And this is the backyard.
Did it die? Is it dead?
I don't think so.
Damn it. We are still living in Melbourne in this beautiful apartment. Today we are going on a weekend getaway, even though it's a Monday. It's for Luisarmi's birthday. He wanted to do like something special. So we're gonna go to a little like cabin in the woods in Australia. I hope I don't die because I know there's a lot of freaking crazy animals. I'm excited. I want to take you with me. Also, I just want to say that I love this little kitchen. I can make myself some coffee 2 steps away from my room. And yes, for those who know me, I used to be not a big fan of coffee, but I don't know, something changed. I don't know if you've heard this, but like people say that Melbourne supposedly has the best coffee in the world. I mean, compared to America's coffee, yes, it is better. Maybe that's why I like it. It's not that bitter, and maybe it's because I'm also growing up. I don't know. I'm starting to like coffee. It boosts me up. It helps me wake up. I also was a barista at Starbucks, so I think that also helped because I know which one I like. Like the blonde roast is so good. It hits you better and it doesn't taste that much of coffee. The flat whites here in Melbourne, oh my god, they're good. They're so good. I'm gonna keep getting ready. I'm doing a video of our weekend getaway. Can you explain to us what we're doing?
Okay, so we are going on a weekend getaway because it's the end of my birthday month. And we're going to, I don't know how to pronounce it because Australians have really weird names. It's a holiday house of a friend along the coast.
But where is it?
I'm not sure, honestly. We could be like...
We could get kidnapped.
Yeah, we could be kidnapped or just
Like-
killed. Like, I don't know. This happens like a lot on the States. We're safe.
Is there gonna be internet? Because if we run
there's-
out of signal,
no, it's like a full-on like
that
Airbnb,
means
like...
we're dying.
like-
I mean, I don't mind no internet, but I'm just saying, if there isn't no internet...
Oh no, don't worry. I
done.
have contingencies in place. Like I have people waiting on a secure text from me, like being like, make sure that someone knows where you're going.
No, we
No,
don't.
not a lot.
No. Don't let him...
It's just a regular amount of kidnapping, you know. Just,
You have to lie to foreigners just so they can visit Mexico. If you scare
he
them,
will visit
they're
Mexico.
never gonna
I
go.
will-
You have a lovely place, by the way, Nick.
I hate McDonald's in the morning here. It's just awful.
You hate the what?
McDonald's on like the
Maccadees.
morning, the Maccas.
Just
In Mexico, you get this awesome thing that it's like a breakfast burrito, and it's just insane.
Silencio, te juro que a nadie. Por eso esperaba con la carita empapada. Una de esas cosas que no importa.
We're getting some food. What are we cooking? A cheese board.
Dad!
You know what
Listen, I have really good English, but there's like a couple of words that I cannot say. That one, terrorist, and what was the other?
So we got a lot of groceries. We have alcohol. We have tequila. Nick got, what's it called?
Rosemary,
Yelled at
onion,
for touching a dog.
He was not yelled at, he was scolded. The man yelled from across the street.
Oi!
Oi!
Don't touch the dog!
Is that what Australians say? Oi!
No, that's very English.
Australians do say that, but more like in the country than anywhere else.
Interesting.
Like in the city, you won't have people yell oi. They'll just be like, good sir,
Good sir.
good lord.
Saya.
Mate.
Exactly.
Yo,
They'll be like-
mate.
No, they will be like, hey, please don't touch the dog.
We're gonna make a charcuterie board. With some tortilla chips. Oh right, we didn't get red wine.
We had these are so good. This is my mum's homemade sourdough. I can cut some of that up for it.
What is it?
Homemade bread.
Homemade
Yeah, my mum
bread.
makes it.
That's like my dream. Like I see myself like when I'm 60 years old or 70, like making
That's
bread.
exactly what she does. Like she's 65 and she like makes bread. She's retired now, so she like makes bread.
I
She
love
was
that.
making kombucha for a long time, but her kombucha died.
Dude, like,
Ooh, you're making caramels.
what the fuck am I supposed to do with this?
I don't know. Try to find a plate. What are you doing? Oh, you know what I do when I burn toast?
Just scrape it.
I was gonna tell you that. Why couldn't you just let me have that? What are you making?
I'm doing rosemary butter cheese.
Oh, okay. 26.
'Cause I'm maybe bad, but I'm perfectly good at it. Sex in the air, I don't care. Oh, I love the way yes, Marie. Oh, yes, sir.
I threw up last night. I threw up so much. I've never been this drunk. Last night we were so drunk. I'm never drinking again. I think it's a little too late. Luisarmi, what are we doing today?
We are going to go-karts.
Okay.
Right.
I'm so hungover, but we're gonna go karts and racing. I don't know why, but we're doing it. Let's go.
Do I need to wear my seatbelt on the back? Yeah. Damn it. This is such an evolved country. So baby, get me going now.
Oh god, I'm so scared. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this.
How do you feel?
I am so excited right now. I am like 14 years old again. I'm so ready to...
So what are the bets?
Okay, so the wiener... What does the wiener
The wiener?
The wiener. The wiener.
Wiener gets he's picking the meats.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, and doesn't have to do the washing up.
And the loser has to
Clean the grill.
clean the grill.
Okay.
So I'm gonna fucking clean the grill.
Hear
I'm so excited right now.
I literally
Like,
cannot
I'm
hear
just
anything.
excited.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. If I still lose being first, that's how I know I'm bad. Are you ready?
Yep.
In the go-karts. Also, Luisarmi lost. It's either me or him.
I had a blast. I was not competing. I was just driving.
Right. Does that mean you're gonna clean the grill?
Fuck that.
It was pretty intense, but it was fun. I loved it. What are we doing for dinner?
I actually don't know. Everyone's cooking for us, so.
It's kind of like Hector's Deli. It feels so nice that men are cooking for us.
Right.
Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing?
Grilling, barbecuing.
Barbecuing Australian sausage.
Yeah, grown right here locally.
Have you guys ever barbecued before?
Yeah.
Okay.
All Australians have
Do
barbecued.
we look not barbecue savvy?
What's your usual barbecue style?
Yeah, what's your setup?
Steak, carne asada. You know, have you ever had carne asada before?
Of course.
I have no idea what you're saying.
Blaze is telling me that we need drama for the vlog. Can you make drama up so people can watch my video?
No, I will not conjure this drama.
You didn't tell me we were gonna have so much sausage tonight.
I did not knew we were
You
going
should have warned me. What are you doing?
Salsa. Chilaquiles salsa.
We're
Salsa
making
roja.
chilaquiles.
Can you take care of this?
To Australians.
Honestly, everyone on the south did it. Like, this is like
No,
how
they
our
don't.
grandmas cook.
editing the vlog right now. I forgot to do an outro. I just want to say thank you all for watching. Thank you for all the new friends and people and roommates and life has given me right now. Right now, I feel so grateful for having this apartment, for having the friends, for having my family that supports me, that helps me, that loves me. Like, I am just so grateful right now for everything that I have. And watching this back, I see how lucky and fortunate that I am. All I need is a job. So if you want to hire me, I would love to. Everything else, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog. Thank you and goodbye.